Hi guys, and welcome back to Thrifty Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make jerk chicken jambalaya. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the ingredients that we're going to use. We're going to use some garlic, some onions, red pepper, celery, some salt pork, some little shrimp that we have, our jerk marinated chicken thighs, rice, and chicken stock. Okay, so you can see here, I've diced up my salt pork. The salt pork's a lot like bacon, except it hasn't been smoke cured. It's just been cured with salt. So it still has that pork flavor to it. That's why I'm using this, because I want that nice pork flavor. With the fat. Okay, you can see here, got my pork been rendered down. I got some color on it. Got a lot of fat going on. To this, I'm gonna add my Trinity, which is your onions, your peppers, and your celery. Get a good saute on this. Get some color going. Got some of those flavors out of the vegetables. Okay, now the vegetables are starting to soften up a little bit. I'm going to add that jerk chicken with some of the marinade to it. Oh, smell is awesome. Okay, and to this, I'm going to add my rice. My chicken stock. Now I want to bring this up to a boil. Then I'm going to turn the heat down to medium and let this simmer until all the rice is cooked. Okay, so right here at this point, I've got my boil going. I'm going to add my shrimp. I'm going to put a cover on this. I'm going to turn it down to medium, and then we'll let this sit until the rice is nice and cooked. Alright, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe to my page, leave me a comment below, share it with your friends. I'm going to enjoy some of this. You guys go enjoy another one of my videos. So good. See you later.